Hey, what's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how to clone your voice using AI. And the best part is that you don't need any prior experience or knowledge in coding or programming. All you need is a powerful AI tool called ElevenLabs, and I'll show you how to use it. So first things first, let's head over to the ElevenLabs website. Once you're there, click on the Voice Lab tab. You'll see a few options, but for this video we're going to use the Add Voice feature and then click on Instant Voice Cloning. Here's what you need to do next. You have to upload a clip of the voice you want to clone. Once you complete that, you'll see the voice you created there. You'll click the Use button, and it will move you to the speech synthesis part of the website where you can use the voice you just generated to basically speak out any words that you ask to. You can also download the audio once completed. And that's how you clone your voice using ElevenLabs. It's a powerful AI tool that makes voice cloning accessible to everyone. So go ahead, give it a try, and see what you can do with your newly cloned voice. Thanks for watching.